Are you struggling to manage your money every month? Today, I'll explain the famous 50-30-20 budgeting rule with a simple real-life example so you can take control of your finances, starting today. The 50-30-20 rule is one of the easiest ways to budget your money. 50% of your income goes to needs, things you can't live without, like rent, food, electricity, transport. 30% goes to wants, dining out, shopping, entertainment, vacations. And the final 20% goes to savings and investments, building an emergency fund, investing in mutual funds, or paying off debt. Let's take a real example. Suppose you earn Rs 50,000 a month. 50% for needs, Rs 25,000 for rent, groceries, bills. 30% for wants, Rs 15,000, movies, eating out, hobbies. 20% for savings, Rs 10,000, FD, SIP, emergency fund, debt repayment. See? It's that simple. By following this, you balance your lifestyle and still secure your future. Now here's the trick. Most people overspend on wants and ignore savings. If you flip that habit and consistently save 20% or more, your financial stress will disappear over time. So that's the 50-30-20 rule explained in the simplest way. Start applying it from your next salary, and you'll see the difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a money